Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has surprised the beta channel insiders this week with an early release of builds 22621 and 22624.1755. And those have rolled out with the update KB5026438 on the 9th of May. Now, this week, the beta channel gets no new features. There's just fixes that have rolled out, which is another indication, as I have mentioned previously, that because there are no new features and just fixes, that Microsoft is starting to some extent finalize the next Moment 3 update in the beta channel, which, by the way, as I've mentioned previously, we are expecting to see start rolling out in the 4th week of this month, May 2023, which will then move over into June of next month as well. Now, the fixes that have rolled out have actually addressed and fixed some annoying and frustrating bugs in Windows 11. And the first is regarding uninstalling apps from the settings if your installed apps are in grid view. So if we head over to the apps, installed apps page, and we click on grid view, Microsoft says that settings should no longer crash when attempting to uninstall an app while using grid view. So that's a crash fix, and actually a very important fix that has been causing a couple of issues in the Insider program. And then they've also fixed an issue where the Pinion IME's insert text button wasn't displaying correctly in some cases. So that's an input fix. And basically what that means is that this fix should improve the usability of this actual feature, which will then allow you to input Chinese characters using phonetic spelling. So that's the long and the short of what that fix is all about. And then those are the two fixes that have actually rolled out for build and in-build 22624. And then both builds get one fix that actually rolled out for both Windows 10 and the stable versions of Windows 11 for Patch Tuesday this month, which is another indication that obviously the next Moment 3 update is being finalized. And the update addresses a race condition in Windows Local Administrator Password Solution, LAPS, LAPS for short, and the Local Security Authority subsystem service might stop responding, which means also that this fix should help improve the overall stability of Windows 11. So once again, another important bug fix that's rolled out. Now, that's just the fixes. So we only get 3 fixes, and then there are 2 known issues. And just to mention these quickly, the first is for the search on the taskbar with the Bing button in the taskbar, with Microsoft saying if you have the Bing button in the search box on the taskbar and you restart your computer, you may see the daily rotating search highlight for some time before getting the Bing button back. Now, although this is a known issue in the beta channel, according to comments on this channel and also how I feel personally, I certainly hope that Microsoft does roll out an option to be able to change this Bing button in the taskbar search back to these search highlights, which currently isn't available in the stable version. So although that's a known issue, I hope they actually make that an actual setting, giving you the 2 options. And then the widgets, as many of you may know in the beta channel, Microsoft is testing a widget board that supports 3 columns, where currently we only get 2 columns in the stable version. And this known issue is apparently when you launch the widgets board for the first time, you may see placeholders of the widgets and or feed cards of the old 2-column layout, even if your device supports 3 columns. So those are 2 known issues, and there's only 2 this week. And normally there is a bit of a longer list, so another indication that those bugs now are being ironed out, and Microsoft is getting ready for the next Moment 3 update with the beta channel now in builds 22621 and 22624.1755, which should be bringing the next wave and the 3rd wave of new features to Windows 11 shortly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.